Hi, I'm David with Paint Protection of Charlotte, and what I'm going to be doing today is showing you basically the difference between a pre-cut template installation and a bulk installation. I'll have customers contact us regarding information about a film service, and I start mentioning about what their expectations are and the type of install they're looking for. And a lot of people don't know the difference between a pre-cut installation and a bulk installation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a pre-cut template on this fender, and I'm going to bulk the other fender, and then I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of both and just show you the difference in the installations, areas that are exposed with a pre-cut template, areas that don't get wrapped, as opposed to a custom install that virtually every edge is wrapped for a full coverage install. So I'm going to show you the installation of this fender, and like I said, we'll switch over to the other one, and we'll go from there, and just show you the pros of the pre-cut and the bulk installation. So I've just finished installing this pre-cut template, and it looks pretty good. So with a pre-cut template, obviously we put it on the plotter and we can extend some edges. So the inside edge up to here is tucked in. But the only thing with a pre-cut template, we do have an exposed edge right here that can be hit by a rock and chip. So that is exposed right there. The edge over here is not tucked in all the way to the fender, so you do have a hard line. And then on the top of the fender, the film doesn't get tucked in up to the A-pillar and the inside of the door. So you do have an exposed edge, which on a darker colored car doesn't look too bad, but when you start getting into a white car, for instance, you will get a dirt line that appears over time. And this is also an exposed edge that can potentially be damaged, chipped. So the benefits of doing a pre-cut installation, we can do this a lot quicker than a bulk installation. It's going to be cheaper, but again, it comes down to what your expectations are in the film. Is it a daily driver? Is it an exotic car? So this is the first type of installation we can do. Predominantly most of the work we do is the custom bulk installation, but this is an option depending on your budget and expectations. So I'm going to go across to the other side, install a bulk fender, and then I can compare the two and show you the differences and the level of protection against the pre-cut template. So I just finished installing this bulk fender, and as you can see, we'll do a little walk around, but every edge right now has an excess of film around the edges. So what we'll do is I'll let this dry out slightly, and then I'll actually go ahead and trim it and tuck it. So if you come around, you can actually see the film will actually protect every single edge. And like the pre-cut template, where there is paint exposed at the top, that will all be tucked. The inside of the door will be tucked. The bottom of the fender will be tucked, and all in the wheel will be tucked. So the whole painted surface will have full protection, no exposed edges, where a rock could penetrate the film. So this is a lot more extensive coverage, takes a little bit more time, but overall it's a lot cleaner and more protection. So that's the difference in a bulk install as opposed to the pre-cut template. Just finished installing the custom bolt piece on this fender, and this is primarily how I do most of our installations in the shop. Because for me, it looks better, you have more protection and that peace of mind. So, like we showed you on the other side, you had exposed edges on the front, around the front lip, on the inside of the wheel well, and then up at the top by the A-pillar. So, if you take a quick look at this, you can see that literally every edge is wrapped and tucked, so there's no exposed paint on the front. On the back here where the A-pillar is, and the door, everything is tightly wrapped in there, so there's no exposed seams that can collect dirt and debris, and no chance of any rock chips. So this is the 3M Pro series. So now that it's on there, it's completely invisible. So these are obviously the best installs when you can't see them. So this just gives you an idea of what the difference is between the template installation and the bulk installation. So I'll let you have a quick look at this, and then we'll show you more installations as we go on.